How to start affiliate marketing in 2022. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step guide to follow to start earning your first commission with affiliate marketing. My name is Alwi and I created this YouTube channel to help people just like you to start earning your first commissions with affiliate marketing online. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you can find all the links mentioned throughout this video in the description. So let's get started. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company pays an individual, also known as an affiliate, to advertise their products and services in order to generate sales. In return, the individual, or also known as the affiliate, makes a commission whenever someone they refer to buys the product. Simply put, you as an affiliate promote somebody else's products, and whenever someone buys, you earn a commission. So think of it as a middleman promoting a product on behalf of a company. So what types of products can you promote as an affiliate? You can virtually promote any products provided that that company has a specific affiliate program that you can apply to. So for example, you can promote physical products like any items that's on Amazon, whether it's a headphones, a TV player and so on. You can promote digital products that you can typically find on websites like ClickBank. You can promote softwares to people that actually needs funnel builder softwares like Builderall, or it could even be services like Tubebuddy, which is a tool that helps YouTubers increase their viewers or subscribers. The beauty about being an affiliate is that you don't need to develop the product, you don't need to worry about the customer service, handle payments or even refunds, right? The only job of an affiliate is to promote these products to people who is looking to actually solve a problem. And this is the ultimate key to affiliate marketing. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is there are products and services like health and fitness that sells a program on how to lose weight, right? So that's on the product end. And you as an affiliate now want to promote this product, you need to find those individual users who wants to lose weight or who's already saying yes to products like this with minimal convincing. So another example could be investment related. People want to earn more money, so that's the problem that they want to solve. The product that you have as an affiliate promotes how you can earn more money or make smarter strategic choices. So the key to affiliate marketing is really identifying what the product is solving for that customer and where exactly is that customer hanging out. Where can you find them? Where is the best place for you to reach out to them and communicate this offer that you have? So now we have a good understanding of what affiliate marketing is, what types of products we can promote, and what is your number one job as an affiliate. I'm going to show you 3 quick steps that you can take to quickly start your affiliate marketing business. So step number 1 is to find an affiliate product that you can start to promote. So as you can see right here, log into clickbank.com. Clickbank is fundamentally a Disneyland for affiliates when it comes to promoting digital products. So just click on the sign up button, and once you click sign up, this will pop up. Spend a few minutes just to set up your account, enter your details and things like that. And once you have already completed those details, you will find a screen just like this, which is ultimately your dashboard screen. And I want you to just go to that marketplace icon at the top of the screen. And once you click on that, this is where step number 2 actually starts. So now we know where we can find digital affiliate products that you can promote. The next step is to really identify what is the niche and the offer that you want to promote. So what's great about ClickBank for beginners is that, as you can see on the left hand side, there are a lot of different kind of niche that you can promote. Niche are essentially a specific category for a product that you want to promote. So for example, we can see home and garden right here. So these would be things around crafts and hobbies around this kind of home and garden category. So that is one niche. Health and fitness is also another niche and one of the top 3s because it's an evergreen. Everyone wants to be healthy. Finance is also a great niche. Everyone wants to earn more money. of course, relationship is also great because everyone wants to have better relationships in their life, right? So once you go through this, let's use health and fitness as an example. So we just open up, actually we can click the whole category, that'll be much easier. So click on that. And what happens is it will pull out all the lists of products that you can potentially promote. And you can see that this list really goes on. But the question here is, how do we pick a product to actually promote? So the first thing that I want to share with you is that you can see that XZ Pure, as an example, is a specific product you can promote. And what this tells us is that for an average conversion, you will have the ability to earn up to $154.44. So if you click, if we do by gravity, so we filter by gravity. Gravity essentially just tells us how well the product is selling on a day-to-day basis. So you can see XZ Pure is the very top. The gravity score is about 853, which ultimately says that, you know, this product is really selling well. And you can see at the bottom here, it states that initial conversion is $151.87, and they also have a recurring or rebill commission, which is really important. Whenever you want to promote any kind of affiliate product, you want to make sure that there is some kind of rebill commission attributed to the product. The reason is because you're going to spend all this time, work and energy and effort to promote this product. Why not do that work just once? And you know, there's the magic about rebill is if this person that you promoted to stays and continues their subscription for a year, that would mean that you will continuously be earning a recurring commission every single month they renew them. So now that we understand the basics, you can see there's a lot of others here. 115 average conversions, $100, and some even lower. The smoothie diet as an example, about $27.63. Now, because you are a beginner, and I made this mistake before, the first thing that comes to mind is that, you know, you want to promote the most highest gravity at the highest possible average conversion, right? So my recommendation here is just to start with an offer like the smoothie diet, because it is good. It might be a low average conversion. The whole idea about starting your affiliate marketing journey is trial and error. You need to experience it and kind of just go through the motion, and this will help you to kind of get that few small steps that you need. So the first thing that you want to do is that if you click on this icon right here, this will ultimately load the offer. So what you then want to do is you want to go through the offer and understand what this is. Alright, so this is a smoothie diet. Delicious, easy to make smoothie for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. So what we know about this is that these are, you know, for people who want to lose weight and want to consume calories in a very easy way. In fact, it's a smoothie diet, so to speak, right? So we can watch the video to understand a little bit more about it. And they will kind of tell us, you know, how well the kind of results that people are getting, what's the program going to be like, 21 days, and so on. So what this shows us the landing page on how they're trying to convert individual. And every time you want to promote a product, you definitely want to go through the landing page to kind of go through it and see whether it makes sense and whether you feel a customer would actually buy. So assuming that you found this offer and this offer is great, it makes sense to you, the landing page looks great, you think that this is something that somebody will definitely want to buy, the next thing that you want to do is go back to the offer. So the smoothie diet, you can see a section here called affiliate page. Just click on that, and what this does is it loads you all the assets or attributes specifically for affiliates. So they will tell us that, you know, if you promote this product, you will get up to 75% commission and earn over $100 per sale or per person that you introduce into their sales funnel, which is great. So now we have identified the product that we want to promote. So in this case, it is the smoothie diet. What we then want to do is click on promote. So the question is this, right? How do we start promoting the product? So this is a hot link generator. And what a hot link generator is, it will generate a unique link that is able to indicate that when someone buys from this specific link of yours, they will know who to pay the commissions to. So let's click on generate commission, and you see you will have a unique link. So this link only belongs to you. So whenever you send anyone onto this link, they will immediately pass on the commissions into your account. So let's just load up the link. Once you load up the link, this is what it will look like. And fundamentally, the link brings you back to the offer. Because we are an affiliate, we don't own the products. The only thing that we are doing is we're the middleman. We are recommending this specific product to individual users who are already saying yes, or who has this problem that they want to solve. So whenever you land anyone onto your link, which is this landing page, and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. So that's one of the major beauties about it. Alright, so just a quick recap. We understand what affiliate marketing is. We know what's our number one job as an affiliate marketer. We have chosen our niche as well as offer from ClickBank. We have generated our hop link, which is our unique identifier, to let the product owner knows that we are the ones who are responsible for the sale to earn our commission. The next main thing you need to do is to drive traffic. Because you have a link now you need to find those people who are saying yes, or find these people who wants to lose weight with this smoothie diet, right? When it comes to traffic, there is two main methods, right? There is free or organic traffic, or paid. So let me address the paid traffic first. As a complete beginner, I warn you that it is a steep learning curve to understand and learn paid traffic, so I do not recommend you to start with paid traffic. If you do want to start with paid traffic, please spend the time to educate yourself and learn a little bit more. Sometime down the line, I will definitely share about some paid traffic strategy, but for this video, I really wanted to keep it simple. Now, free traffic method. This is by far one of the best methods just to get your hands dirty or your feet wet into affiliate marketing. So how can you generate free traffic? Now, there are many different ways to go about this, but I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. Since you are new to affiliate marketing, the best way to generate free traffic is to kind of understand and identify where your target audiences are hanging out. Who are the people that already are saying, yes, I need this smoothie diet because I do want to lose weight in the next month. So this could be places like Facebook groups around health and fitness, around smoothie recipes. It could be on blog contents, for example, or maybe you even have your own blog content on losing weight, and that you can insert your link in. So these are very top line strategies, and of course the best is to share it with your family and friends, just for you to get started with affiliate marketing. Right? So there are lots of other ways to do free traffics, but I think these are some of the best ways for now for you to get started with. The information that I've just shared with you is just enough for you to get started with affiliate marketing. In the first link below, I'm going to share with you the exact same affiliate marketing program that I took that goes into in-depth on all the details that we've covered and many, many more. It is absolutely free, so I 100% recommend that you check it out. It's done by Chad Bartlett, who is the #2 Builder All affiliate. Now, in case you're wondering what is the current affiliate program that I'm promoting, you can find it in the second link, and it's also absolutely free, and in fact, it is 90% done for you. That said, both programs is absolutely free. Both of them also has the free trainings, so definitely check them out. If you have found value in this video, please hit the like button below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. Thanks for watching.